How to adjust date and time in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily adjust your date and time on your WhatsApp. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So what I'm talking about is here, if you are trying to use your WhatsApp and your date and time is not correct, then it might show you error and in some cases your app will stop working. So in that case, what you need to do is check your date and time first. So right now it's 9:10. So if I send any message right here, it will show 9:10 right here. But if your WhatsApp time is not correct, then what you need to do is go ahead and tap on your settings. And once you get to your settings menu, go ahead and scroll down until you find general management and you'll find date and time settings here. Tap on it. And if the automatic date and time is turned on, then that's all right. Your time will be set according to the location. But if you want to set your time manually, you can change it like this and then tap on done. So once you do that, just tap on done. And once you do that, just go ahead and your time will be changed. As you can see on the top left corner, the time has been changed. If I go to my WhatsApp, as you can see, the time is also changed here. It was 9 before, now it's 11. So that's how you can date and time on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.